In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign documents in Zoho Books using Zoho Sign. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just want to keep everything securely online, this guide will walk you through every step of the process clearly and easily. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to connect Zoho Books with Zoho Sign. Begin by logging into your Zoho Books account using Chrome. Once inside, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings icon. Give that a click. As you explore the settings page, you'll notice an option for integrations. Under this, click on Zoho Apps. Here, you'll find a list of applications that can be synced with Zoho Books. Locate Zoho Sign and click on the Connect button next to it. The system will prompt you to authorize Zoho Books to use Zoho Sign, so just follow along with the on-screen prompts to complete this connection. Now that Zoho Books and Zoho Sign are happily linked, let's move on to enabling digital signatures. Head back over to the Settings section in Zoho Books. This time, navigate down to Preferences. Here's where personalization really comes into play. Choose whichever module you're interested in, be it invoices, estimates, or purchase orders. As you select your preferred module, you'll find an option for Zoho Sign within. It's important that you check the box that says Enable Digital Signatures to activate this feature. Don't forget to save your settings before moving on. With the preparation complete, you're ready to send documents for signature. Open up the specific document you want to send, whether it's an invoice, an estimate, or something else you've tailored. You're going to want to look for more actions in the Documents menu. This is your next destination. From there, choose Send for Zoho Sign. A new screen will appear, allowing you to select the recipient or recipients who need to sign the document. Once you've chosen those lucky folks, you can customize the signing process. Add signing fields like signature, initials, and date, and then simply drag and drop them to the correct spots within your document. Confident everything's in its place, click Send for signature, and away it goes. Now, what happens next is quite seamless. The recipient, be it your client, accountant, or vendor, will receive an email from Zoho Sign. They'll review the document, digitally sign where required, and voila! The document is automatically updated back into your Zoho Books account. It's as easy as that, a perfectly smooth integration that keeps you moving forward without any hiccups. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have all of your important documents signed and organized in no time, keeping your operations efficient and fully digital.